Hi, it's Luke with Out of Darts. We're taking a look here at our Dart Zone Pro Mk3 side rail. These side rails are a non-permanent installation that replaces the side rails. There are two different sides. There's a left and a right. They are labeled on the back as L and R. And there are two variations of rails you can choose from. We've got a standard one and we've got a notched one, which is essentially kind of cut to fit the form factor here. Kind of fun fact, I started with the notched one originally because I was trying to see if I could do a version that would install through this hole, but it turns out the Picatinny rail itself, as you can see, is just a little bit too wide to actually fit through that hole. So there was no way to do that. Then I went to a square version and now we've got two options. So I'll show you how to install this really quickly. We'll go ahead and do our left side shell since it's the easiest to get at. You're basically going to want to remove all of the screws. Take your shell off. You're going to want to flip that over, of course. You're going to remove all three of these screws. After you've got those three screws removed, do take them out. You're actually going to reuse them. Then you're going to find your corresponding rail. This is the left side shell rail. One thing I'm really proud of here is that our color match is just spectacular. I mean, check that out. It's just almost perfect. There's not any closer you could possibly get. You're going to replace these three screws here. And then you're going to flip it back around, and then there you've got your finalized rail. And as you can see, like I mentioned, it just matches beautifully. Now you're going to take your actual rail side, and these are universal, the standard ones, except for the notched ones. They actually, as you can see, this one does not match this side because it is for the right side of the blaster. But this part is symmetrical. It can go either direction. You're just going to line up those three holes. And then you're going to take an M2.5 driver and drive those down into place. Now this will be rock solid. We went with 3 screws on our design because we wanted this thing to never ever come off. And we use brass inserts on the other side, which means that these are very strong. When you look here, you'll see that that brass insert would actually have to be pulled all the way through the plastic to have possibly come out. So you can mount anything you want to this without fear of it causing you any issues. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this helped.